one of the most overlooked levers for growth in multifamily roofing, and that is how small repairs set you up for those big contracts that every single contractor wants. So if you're trying to land large multifamily jobs but skipping those minor leak calls or patchwork, you're missing the most direct path for trust and for relationship and for revenue. We're going to walk through exactly why this works and the steps that you can take so that you have this proven blueprint for turning those small repairs into a compounding pipeline of opportunity.